YouTube is changing the game for video creators. They are integrating powerful AI technology into their Shorts platform. This will make video creation faster and easier than ever before. With just a few clicks, users will be able to generate high-quality videos from their imaginations. This is a major development in the world of online video. It has the potential to revolutionize content creation. YouTube's new AI tools will empower anyone to become a filmmaker, regardless of their technical skills or experience. Dream Screen was first introduced in September 2023. It was initially launched as a tool for creating AI-generated backgrounds. This feature was a hit with creators, who used it to add a touch of magic to their shorts. Dream Screen quickly became a popular feature within the YouTube Shorts community. It offered a glimpse into the future of video creation, where AI would play an increasingly important role. Today, Dream Screen is taking a giant leap forward. YouTube is expanding its capabilities. Now, users can generate entire video clips. This is all thanks to the integration of Google's cutting-edge VO2 AI video model. With this update, Dream Screen is transforming from a background generator to a full-fledged video creation tool. The possibilities are endless, and creators are already exploring the potential of this exciting technology. Creating a video with the new Dream Screen is incredibly simple. Users just need to type in a text prompt. They can then customize their video with different styles, lenses, and cinematic effects. They can even choose the length of their video. The intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to bring their ideas to life. This removes the technical barriers that once prevented many people from creating their own videos. The integration of Google's VO2 AI model is what makes Dream Screen's new capabilities possible. VO2 is a highly advanced AI that can generate incredibly realistic and detailed videos. VO2 is particularly adept at generating realistic physics and human movement. This makes it the perfect tool for creating dynamic and engaging video content. Section 6 Dream Screen's global debut: a phased rollout. The new Dream Screen is initially available in a few select countries. This includes the United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. YouTube plans to roll out the feature to more regions in the near future. This phased rollout allows YouTube to gather feedback and refine the technology before making it available to a wider audience. Section 7 Synthid, ensuring transparency in an AI-powered world. As AI-generated content becomes more prevalent, transparency is crucial. To address this, YouTube will be tagging all AI-generated footage. These videos will have visual labels and Google's Synthid watermarks. These measures will clearly identify content that has been created or altered using AI. This will help viewers make informed decisions about the content they consume. Section 8. A new era for creators, accessibility, and beyond. YouTube's new AI video creation tools are poised to democratize video creation. This will empower a new generation of creators. People who previously lacked the resources or technical skills will now be able to share their stories with the world. This will lead to a more diverse and vibrant online video landscape. It will give voice to creators from all walks of life. Section 9. Shaping the future of video innovation and responsibility. YouTube's integration of AI into Shorts is a bold step forward for the platform. It signals a future where AI will play an increasingly important role in content creation. As YouTube continues to innovate in this space, it's crucial that they do so responsibly. Transparency and ethical considerations must be at the forefront of these